Let's meet Edward, a resident of Reston. It all started a few months ago when he started hearing a squeaking sound whenever he opened or closed his garage doors. Edward then began looking for a reputable garage door repair service in the Reston area. After doing some research, he found Adams Garage Doors LLC that have excellent ratings and testimonials. Right away, he went online and checked out adamsgaragedorsllc.com to learn more about their services and offerings. Edward discovered that they offer reasonably priced, high-quality garage door repair services. In addition, for any garage door service, their experienced staff prefers investing in high-quality, warranted, modern equipment. After learning about the company and their services, Edward called them at 7036236766. After receiving their same-day, reasonably priced, and expert service, he was highly amused. If you are also seeking the same service in Reston, contact Adams Garage Doors LLC immediately.